Hello Travers, welcome back to the channel. Myself Narendra Veeradima. I make videos on online tools, apps, personal finance, entrepreneurship and about life. If you're new here, consider subscribing. We'll thrive further together. As I mentioned in my previous video, this month end I'm moving out of this city. So for that I started packing my things and I noticed that there are many gadgets with me that I'm using it for my video production, and there are some gadgets which I'm not using at all. So let me show you what all the gadgets I have with me. So in these gadgets, some of them are costly and some of them are basic price, and some of them I got from friends and family members. So I couldn't able to fit those gadgets into single bag, so that's why I have two bags here. That's how I have come up with an idea what's in my bag. So let's see. So let me show you the first bag. Here it is. So this is Vito automatic vintage camera. So this is from 1960s. I'm not much aware of this, how to use this, because I'm not sure like what functionality it is having. So but this one is vintage camera and it is from 1960s. This is Panasonic digital camera. So these two devices I got from my girlfriend. Yes, my girlfriend. She's 65. I met her in the restaurant where I worked as a part-time chef. So she gifted me these two things this January, I think. Yeah. So I'm not sure, like I did not use these things because it is 24x optical zoom, but we have phones with 12 megapixel and optical zoom and wide angles, and there are a lot of improvements in the new technology. That's why I'm not using these gadgets, but I'm keeping these gadgets with me for the memories. So now let me show you my actual gadget collection. This is Osmo Mobile 3 combo. So using this we can do a lot of things. We can take cinematic videos, we can shoot B-rolls, and the flow and everything will be smooth because it is having a gimbal technology. So it won't shake your phone when you're taking your videos. You can take from different angles and you can shoot, feel like cinematic videos. We'll make another video on this, how to use this gimbal. I got delivered recently, day before yesterday. So today we are going out to check this, how it will work and how we can take the cinematic videos as well. So I'll share all those beautiful Montreal city images, whatever I'll take from this device, I'll share in my Instagram account. Please do check in the description below and follow. So apart from that, behind the scenes and everything will happen in between. Everything will be there in my Instagram account. Please do check there. So regarding this, I'll make another separate video on how to use this and what functionalities it is having. So we'll look into this. And the next one, I think you already know about this because I made a video. So this is my little mighty drone. I made a video about this and I tested all the flight modes it is having. So if you want to check that video, so please do check the card here. Here you can find all the related videos. Please do check them. Using this device, we can take some aerial views. So cinematic drone shots. This is a basic one. Using this, we can get only 720p videos. So but anyways, with the price, this is the best drone in the market. As I mentioned in my previous video, please do check the other video here. So let's see what other things I got here. And this is Video Micro. So the audio quality, like whatever I'm speaking now, if you are able to hear it without any noise, background noise, that's because of this. So I cannot show you the device itself because I'm using it here, I'm shooting it now, so I cannot show you the device itself. So this is one. So all these things I got recently after starting my YouTube journey. So let's see what other items I got here. So this one is triple cold shoe mount. So whenever I'm using this gimbal, so using this gimbal, like we can shoot vlogs, and we can shoot like individual. Suppose if I don't have anyone to take my video, I can keep this gimbal, I can keep it in front of me, and I can shoot the videos. So for this, if I want to connect my video micro, so I need to have this tool. So this is the shoe mount which can mount this video micro, so that I can shoot vlogs, and I can shoot normal videos, and I can do whatever I want. So this is for that. And what else? Yeah, so this is muesli. So this is a speaker which I got from my cousin Mahesh Gunnam. He gifted it on my birthday, recent birthday. So this is awesome speaker. Once you charge it, you can use it for 8 hours. So this is also good. Nice experience we're having it here. And this one, fitness tracker. So this one is gifted by my future fiance. Yes, because it's a health tracker. She cares about me. That's why she gifted this for my recent birthday. This one is MPOW wireless headphones. So because I'll be doing this kind of YouTube videos, so if I keep these things, I can avoid the noise, background noise and everything. So I can do my work with without any disturbances. So let me show you how it will be. So these are wireless headphones. So you can just keep it, you can adjust the straps. You can have it on your ears, so you can control all the functionality here. You can use this as a wireless headphones also, and you have the wire also. You can connect to the laptop, and you can use it as well. So with this, like, you will not get any background noise. So when you are wearing this, that means you are in a work mode. So let's see what other items I got here. Obviously, this is the costliest one I have, 11 Pro Max. I cannot show you the device because I'm shooting right now. So this is one sexy phone I have. Using this, I can create a lot of memories. The reason behind all these YouTube videos, this one. So this is my iPad 8 II. Using this, I'll edit my videos, and I'll do some designing, and I'll consume entertainment, and all those things will happen through this device. So it's pretty much good. I got this from Marketplace, but it's pretty much good. So let's see what other items I got here. So this is my power bank, Chroma 10,000 mAh power bank. So it's pretty much good. I've been using this. And other item, so this is a power and selfie stick. So using this, we can take the selfies. So all these devices, I'm not sure, like I did not use these before, but these days I'm into this photography and filmmaking and video content creation. I begin to use all these things, like I'm exploring all these things now. And finally, got this hard disk, Seagate 2 TB hard disk, because this is very much useful for me, because I am creating a lot of videos. So if I don't have a backup, that's it, I cannot work. So this is the most useful storage gadget I have. So I can take all the backups, and I can keep them, and I can reuse them. So without this, I cannot work. So that's pretty much everything. So that's pretty much everything. So whatever the gadgets I have, and whatever the gadgets I use for my video production, I have shown everything today. So some of them are not available in the market, because that vintage camera that is from 1960s, that is not available in the market. So apart from that, what are the recent gadgets I got, everything is available in the market. If you want to check those links, they are in the description below. Please do check it. So that's it. So that's it for today. I'll see you next video. Until then, keep thriving further.